Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. So what I like basically on this, I got a 2-hour time frame for you, and I found that there is a big cluster of support. We have multiple swing lows here in this bracketing area here, and basically market is right now in that area around 1.2660, 1.2650. That's a quite important pivot area, and basically we got the bull divergences that we're building. If you see basically the market structure, market made got a swing low here, another swing low, there was one consolidation here, another swing low. But basically by doing this 3 pushes down, we basically also got the momentum actually divergence, right? So we have a bull divergence. Even market went lower multiple times, like 3 times here, you know, 3 pushes down, and the momentum basically didn't follow that. Basically we got a decrease in the downside momentum, which can result basically rally going to the next period. So I do expect for the USD CAD to recover back towards the 1.2700 area, and maybe even if there is more power, that's a minimum I expect, is 40 pips upside rotation. And then to see if there is some even more potential momentum, then we can even think about 1.2740 or even this P bar area. But for now, basically the primary and the first reference point is at 1.2700 zone. So watch for buying opportunities basically on the USD versus Canadian dollar. Speaking of the gold market, so after yesterday's FOMC announcement, and so we had basically a big reversal in the bottom, and that was also, we got bull divergence by doing that price action, and that was a very nice rejection there of the around 1896. And now price is trying to have some follow through. I don't see any reversal yet at this stage. We have some swing lows. Previous swing lows can act like resistance, as we know. So we have the area around 1958 to watch, like some important pivot level. And we'll see. For now, we already got this strong rejection. We'll see if the US session can have a follow through towards the 1958, or we have some downside rotation. So it seems like today is a more day, at least at this stage, to basically just watch for more informations. We reached the 8-hour, 12-hour middle Keltner line, so we're back to some kind of the mean on the large degrees, like 5 and 10-day moving average. And now we're just about to see if this, if the US session, you know, today can provide some follow through towards 1958, and we have rotation probably. If we start to rotate, then we can think about this 1925 or so, this area here. So watch for the price action during the US session. If we see open drive the upside, and there, watch for buying opportunities with the upside projection at 1958. From other side, if you see the downside rotation to start of the US session opening, then we can rotate to 1926. Speaking of the crude oil, we're basically breaking the recent swing highs on the 2-hour. You can see basically we're breaking the swing highs. We got like a double bottom potentially here, and market is right now trading higher. It's already trading into the 100 area, and from this perspective, you know, we can place, I can take a volume profile, and we can place so we have this pivot here. We need to make sure that that pivot is at around 102 level. That's also the next area, and then this big giant volume point to control at 109.30. We also have the cluster of the lows at 104.35. So these are some pivots that are meaningful, right, from the previous price action. So definitely upside pressure on the crude oil, with no signs of any reversal yet. So things like market can try to trade towards this 102 area, 102 zone. So definitely you can watch for intraday, very intraday scalping, buying opportunities, you know, some pullbacks using intraday time frames, because from the swing perspective, this is not that qualitative structure at this stage right now. So it's more like a scalp only stuff to the upside for now. And Bitcoin basically still, as I said in my previous analysis, you know, and that this market is in a heavy balance around 40,000 mark, 41,000, and it will require some time, you know, to fulfill this potentially right side, you know, until potentially the upside breakout or the downside breakout. But definitely still watch for breakout. Nothing changed since my last update on this one. So watch for this heavy symmetrical triangle in creation, you know, watch potential breakout to confirm further direction. That'll be all for this video, guys, and I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and see you tomorrow morning.